Grandpa says he's gonna give a ring to the chosen one.
He wanted to.
But he didn't, and instead gave it to the cat that would be P.T.'s mother. Grandpa wanted to return the Ring of Dynasty and stuff. But when he couldn't get out of jail, Commander Cupcake, which is Big Jim, tells him that he needs to be a superhero and wear a costume, and he will be named Sprinkles. At first, Grandpa didn't want to go out with that costume, but in the end, because he wanted to get out of jail, he agreed. Meanwhile, there was a captain named Captain Cuddles. He was planning to invade Earth. Together, Commander Cupcake, Sprinkles, and Dogman teamed up and went up to the spaceship to try to defeat them. This is the end for now. If you want to read more, buy this book. Also, there will be a new book soon. What new horrors will rise? What old memories will resurface? Get ready to collect your comrades, assemble for action, and level up with laughs, because an all-new adventure is coming. Dogman, Big Jim believes it's a brand new series with the same old characters. Bye.